Hi everyone. Hi everyone. We can see an introduction to computer in computer organization paper. In the modern era, computers are an essential part of our everyday existence. That means computers are present in almost every field, making our day-to-day task easier and faster nowadays. Computers can be seen in banks, shops, schools, hospitals, railways, and many more places, including our home. As they are such as an essential part of our lives, we must know about the basic computer introduction. These are the basic parts of the computer: that speaker, monitor, power supply, ROM, main board, CPU, fan, RAM, VGA card, case, mouse, keyboard, and reader in all. And one that is a case, that CPU, hard disk, sound card. So these are the basic parts of the computer. Then what is a computer? The meaning of a computer is a machine that can calculate. However, modern computers are not just a calculating device anymore. They can perform a variety of tasks. In simple terms, a computer is a programmable electronic machine used to store, retrieve, and process data. For the definition of computer, we can write a computer is a programmable electronic device that takes data, perform instructed arithmetic and logical operations, and gives the output. Whatever is given to the computer as an input is called the data, while the output received after processing is called information. So this is the processing. The input we are given, and then CPU it will input we are given as a data. The system will store into the CPU, and the information it will give as an output to the user. So what is bit and byte? A bit is the smallest unit of digital information and is a fundamental building block of all digital system. It is a short for binary digit and can have a value of either 0 or 1. Bytes is nothing but a unit of data that is 8 binary digits long. A byte is the unit most computers use to represent a character such as letter, number, or typographic symbol. Each byte can holding a string of bits that need to be used in a larger unit of application purposes. Next one is the history of computer. And the term computer was first introduced in 1640 and referred to as one who calculates. It was derived from the Latin word computere, which means to calculate. In 1897, it was known as a calculating machine. Later, in 1945, the term computer was introduced as programmable digital electronic computer, which is now called a computer. When the computers were introduced, they were large and could fill an entire room. Some computers were operated using large-sized vacuum tubes. In 1833, Charles Babbage, known as the father of computer, invented an early calculator which was named as the difference engine. Later, in 1837, he introduced the first mechanical general-purpose computer analytical engine. Over time, computers became powerful in performance and small in size. Next one is the generation of computer. We have 5 different generations of computer which can be classified as. First generation, it starts from 1946 to 1959. And here in first generation, computers were based on the electronic valves like the vacuum tubes. And second generation, 1959 to 1965, it was used on it is based on the transistors. And the third generation, it starts from 1965 to 1971. During the third generation, computers were based on the integrated circuits that we called as an ICs. And fourth generation, 1971 to 1980, the computers were based on the very large scale integrated circuit, that is VLSI. And then finally in the fifth generation, 1980 to now present, we are using the fifth generation is still going on. The computers were based on the multiple technologies such as ultra large scale integration, artificial intelligence, and parallel processing hardware. The fifth generation of computers includes desktop, laptop, notebook, etc. we are using nowadays. So these are the basics of computers, which is we have studied in a computer organization paper. Thank you.